The year was 1995. Paul Rouse and Jamie Crawford were thinking big. Tech was growing, and so were the market needs.
It was really a combination of a passion for technology as well as a passion in business. In the mid to early 90s, there weren't a lot of companies out there that really helped companies adopt new technologies.
When Rouse Consulting Group was founded, the internet wasn't even publicly available yet. We were pretty revolutionary in terms of being an IT provider in that sense.
In 1997, they formed a company called Rouse Consulting Group and began building more than a business, but a community. This is where it all began. With full cups of coffee and minds set on improving network management, it's when our mission of empowering businesses truly came online.
When we first getting started, it was dramatically different than today's landscape. First handful of clients started with about 6 right off the bat, and only maybe 2 of them had internet access at the time.
Rouse Consulting Group really takes the time to educate those businesses on what the current landscape is and what tool sets is needed to protect their business and move their business forward.
In the 2000s, we continued our innovative approach to technology solutions.
We've had to evolve continuously, trying to stay a couple steps ahead of where the technology is. The things we use to protect our customers, to deliver our services, has changed dramatically over 30 years. Really, in the last 15 years, the technology stack related to security has just exploded.
Over the span of 30 years, Rouse has stayed on the cutting edge. We partnered with Zenith for data backup and ConnectWise for CRM and ticket systems. We expanded to global coverage while staying true to our QC roots.
We're from this area. We understand that businesses, just because they're not in major metropolitan areas, still have the same needs as those in Chicago and Des Moines and LA. And being a top IT world-class provider in this area allows us to provide the same level of service of those big cities to organizations within the Quad City area.
And we had some fun along the way. We even made the MSP list. Fast forward to today. We're more dedicated than ever to staying true to our community while expanding IT solutions with innovation at the forefront.
What we do really well. We continue to invest in those areas. And then we're continuing to look for what are those areas that are evolving, expanding, and where should we strategically go to be able to help our customers.
With many trusted partnerships, an incredible team, and a community behind us, we're ready to continue delivering on the mission we started with 3 decades ago.
The team is the reason for our success. We have so many different talented people, so many different areas, and they are the ones that help drive the technology adoption, help drive the direction of the company. The successes, the challenges we've had, how we've grown from a small little 2-person company to over 40 now. We're very motivated to continue the success, continue the growth of the organization, and continue to expand our team and culture as we grow.
Being in business for 30 years, and what that means to me is it's pride. We have organizations we support in about 30 states and a handful of countries. So seeing that growth over time and being a part of that success just brings me a lot of pride. And being in business for 30 years, we're excited to continue that passion, that growth, and see where the next 30 years leads us.